Hi, and welcome to another 2-Minute Tuesday. What is earnest money and why is it important to your real estate transaction? My good buddy Randy Lynch told me a story once about a client who wanted to know, who's this Earnest guy and why does he want my money? Well, let's dig in and find out. The Earnest Money Deposit, or EMD, is a good faith gesture in the form of money that a buyer presents to a seller along with a purchase offer. It shows that they're serious about completing the contract. It's basically their financial skin in the game. Because your offer to purchase effectively takes the seller's home off the market, the seller needs to be convinced that you, the buyer, will uphold your commitment. They don't want to negotiate for 30 days with you on a house and take it off the market only to find out that you're not a serious buyer. They may have missed other offers or, worse yet, missed a peak selling season. So after you deposit your money, you may ask, is this earnest money deposit refundable? It could be if certain terms and conditions and contingencies of the contract are not met. A typical purchase contract will have an appraisal contingency that states the offer is canceled if the home doesn't appraise. Another might be that the buyer can't get financing or the title may have issues that prevent the transfer. All of these should be stated in the contract and time limits set for the buyers and sellers to release these contingencies and keep the transaction moving forward. Every state's a little bit different and have different laws regarding the keeping or refunding of the earnest money deposit. Check with your realtor, they'll help you clarify these contract terms. The amount of the earnest money deposit will vary according to individual markets and state laws, but it's typical to see 1 to 5% as the going amount. Some sellers might ask for a dollar amount rather than a percentage, $5,000 or $10,000. And in a hot market where there's multiple offers, you might want to offer even a higher amount and indicate that you could make the deposit non-refundable. Now that's a risky move, but in some cases could work to your advantage. And finally, the earnest money deposit should be placed with an escrow company or a certified third party and not sent directly to the seller. The EMD will go to the seller at the end of the contract and count towards the down payment amount if you're going to be getting financing, or will just go to the bottom line. Well, that's it, and if you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. If you found this information helpful, give it a like and share it with your friends on social media. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.